I went to law school because I always knew I wanted to be a criminal defense attorney so that I can help people that look like me and that are from my community who do need zealous representation in the courtroom. My favorite thing about being a PACE law student is the community. I feel as if it's very close-knit and everyone gets to know each other really well. I'm a part of BALSA, which is the Black Law Students Association, and our advisor is the dean of our law school. So everyone gets involved in every activities or any programming that goes on in the school. The criminal defense clinic at PACE is one of the best experiences that I've had at PACE Law School. We work on actual cases, and interacting with the clients is definitely the best part of it because it's great to see your hard work pay off and someone gets to go home.